In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks, or if you're looking to sharpen your skills, this guide is designed just for you. Let's dive right in and start managing your bank transactions with ease. First, if you haven't yet signed up for QuickBooks Online, you'll need to create an account. It's a straightforward process, and once you've set up your account, you're ready to sign in. For those who already have an account, simply head over to the QuickBooks website and click on Sign In. Enter your account details and click Continue. If prompted, enter your password. Once you're signed in, you'll be asked to choose a company file, especially if you have access to multiple companies. Next, navigate to the dashboard to begin. On the dashboard, find the Accounting section. This is where you can access and manage your bank transactions. Click on Bank Transactions, where the transactions download directly from your bank feed are displayed. Make sure to select the specific bank account you wish to work on by choosing from the tabs located at the top. This organized view will help you categorize each transaction effectively. When you categorize each transaction, you'll see a few important fields: the category, payee, and memo/description. This is where you determine the correct expense or income category, such as rent or office supplies. Assigning a payee, like a specific vendor, will enhance your reports. If your accounting requires class or location tracking, you can also add that for more detailed insights. Adding notes in the memo section can clarify entries for future reference. QuickBooks is also intelligent in recognizing transactions you might have previously recorded. If it identifies a match, say an invoice or a bill, choose Match rather than Add to ensure you're not duplicating entries. QuickBooks aims to streamline this task for you, making sure your records are clear and accurate. For recurring transactions, consider setting up rules under Manage Rules. By doing this, QuickBooks will automatically categorize similar transactions in the future, saving you time. If you discover that a single transaction involves several categories, use the Split function to allocate the amounts properly across categories. Once you're satisfied with the categorizations, click Add to enter them into QuickBooks Online. Don't skip on reviewing your account register either. By accessing it from your chart of accounts, you can verify that your transactions are correctly categorized and make any necessary adjustments. Lastly, make it a practice to reconcile your account monthly. This step ensures your QuickBooks Online records align with your bank statements, maintaining your financial accuracy. By following these steps, you'll gain confidence and efficiency in managing bank transactions. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide proves helpful.